How to fix WhatsApp two-step verification easily and fast. Hello guys, first thing is open the settings and then go to the apps, and after that go to the apps again. Now you have to click on the WhatsApp. If you didn't find it, you can just search for it in the search bar. After that, click on this force stop right here and then go to the storage or the internal storage like this. Click on clear data, clear cache. After you click on them, now you have to go back and click on the data usage. Now right here you must make sure that all those options are enabled, as you can see right here. After that, go back, click on the home page, open the Play Store and search for WhatsApp, then click on this update option right here to update it into the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe.